Classroom feature on admin panel will give you an overview of the institution alongside its classrooms. If you click on the classroom, you will find all the classrooms in the institution. If you select one, you will see the subjects of the classroom, teachers assigned to the particular subject, and also the number of students. You can edit a subject by clicking on more subject options. From here, you can even delete a subject. If you want to add a subject, click on the add sign at the bottom right corner, fill in the subject name, select the assigned teacher, and then click on submit. You can also assign a class teacher by clicking on assign button and then selecting the class teacher of the classroom. Then click on proceed. Thank you.